The GE GFW655 SSVWW front load washer is one of the most popular front load washers you can buy. It's updated with more features, but still missing a few from other brands like Samsung or LG. In this video, you'll learn the best features of this machine and what it doesn't have so you can make an informed decision. The GFD655 SSVWW is now 5 cubic feet, but is only 32 inches deep versus 33 and 33.5 inches for the 5 cubic foot LG and Samsung respectively. So it's more convenient in closets and stackable installations. You can also control the dryer easily from the washer. So you don't have to reach for the 80-inch control panel on the dryer, liberating anyone under 5 foot 6 inches tall. So now you don't have to buy an LG wash tower, the one piece with the controls in the middle, unless you want to for their advanced AIDD programs. Most of the GFW655's features are similar to the previous model. You have their comprehensive mold prevention package, cover the gasket, hoses, and dispenser with mold-resistant microban, and add the odor block fan to dry any residual moisture and further stop the spread of mold, mildew, and odors. GE also employs the odor block fan in the door to further dry any residual water in the gasket where mold typically grows. GE is the best company for eliminating mold, and this feature also has the latest features with plenty of cycles and options. There are 12 wash cycles and 10 options. Wash almost any type of fabric. For example, GE is the allergen cycle to eliminate over 99% of the bacteria on clothes, as well as steam to power out tough stains. You have the ability to adjust the temperature and wash rinse as well, and you can pour up to 50 ounces of detergent into the washer, which dispenses automatically. The machine calculates the approximate amount needed at the right time. You may not use the number of wash cycles, but you will use the automatic dispenser. By calculating the amount of detergent per wash, you won't overfill the dispenser when you only need a capful, because those excess suds leak in the machine for an expensive future service call. You can reverse the wash door to accommodate your dryer and washer setup. It's easier to transfer your clothes from your washer to your dryer. Only GE and Electrolux have this feature for full-size laundry. GE is excellent with a 6.4% service rate in the first year, well below the Appliance average of 9.7%. LG, however, is lower at 2.1% based on 34,000 service calls completed by a service team just last year. However, GE is the best service department when you do have a problem, and 95% of retailers, including every box store, does not have a service department. So you should consider this when buying laundry, because it does pile up rapidly with a broken machine. There's all sorts of smart tech and other machines you might want to consider as well as the GFW655. Here's a small rundown. The LG wash tower has AIDD, which determines the wash cycle by soil and fabric type. The new and better Samsung and LG have AI with an unlimited amount of programmable cycles to customize your laundry for any cycle and any option to your specification. The new GE profile offers AI as well. You can scan your detergent for an exact dispensing option through the wash, as well as the odor block fan being sensor driven to activate when moisture is sensed. Still, GFD655 still has impressive features, reliability, and actual service if you need it, and you probably will. Want to see a cool comparison of all the best front loads? Then click this link. Thanks for watching.